In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title and meta tags in GoDaddy if you're looking to enhance your website's visibility on search engines. Optimizing title and meta tags is a key step. These elements are vital for defining how your website is seen by search engines. So let's dive right in and make these adjustments. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GoDaddy. Once on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. Sign in using your email, or if it's more convenient, you can log in using your Facebook or Google account. Logging in is essential because it allows you to access the backend of your website and make these crucial changes. Once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is locate the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is the hub for all your website management tasks. Here, you should see a list of your sites. Find the website you want to work on and click the Manage button next to it. This action will take you directly to the specific settings for that website. Now, you're ready to get hands-on with editing. Click on Edit Website. This will launch the Website Builder interface, where you can make changes to the site's design and content. Within this interface, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. Here, look for an option called Get Found on Google, which is essentially the section where you can work on your SEO settings. In this SEO section, you'll be presented with a page selector. This allows you to choose which page of your website you would like to edit. Select the page you want to optimize, as this is where you'll be editing the title and meta description. Now let's enter the details. In the headline field, type in the new title tag for the selected page. Be sure it accurately reflects the content of the page because this title will appear in search results. Similarly, in the description field, write a concise yet informative meta description. This is your chance to provide search engines with a bit more detail about what the page entails. As you craft your titles and descriptions, keep relevant keywords in mind. Incorporating these strategically can significantly boost your website's search engine rankings, increasing the likelihood of attracting the right audience. Once you've entered all the desired content, it's crucial to save your modifications. Look for the Save button and click it to update your title and meta tags. And there you have it. Your page is now optimized with new title and meta tags, ready to catch the attention of search engines and visitors alike. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your site's visibility and search rankings.